Introduction. Acids and bases. Acids. Bases. Acids taste sour. Example, vinegar, lemon juice. Alkalis are taste bitter. Acids are harmful to living cells. Strong alkalis are corrosive. Aqueous solutions of all acids contain hydrogen ions. Aqueous solutions of all alkalis contain hydroxide ion. Acid turns blue litmus red. Alkalis turn red litmus blue. Strong acids are corrosive. Soapy touch. Acids and bases. Naturally occurring acids. Name of acid. Found in acetic acid, vinegar, formic acid, ants' sting. Citric acid. Citrus food such as oranges, lemons, etc. Lactic acid. Curd. Oxalic acid. Spinac. Ascorbic acid. Vitamin C. Amla. Citrus fruits. Tartaric acid. Tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes, etc. Name of base. Found in calcium hydroxide, lime water, ammonium hydroxide, window cleaner, sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Soap, magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia. Natural indicators around us. Litmus, a natural dye. When an acid is dissolved in water, we get an acidic solution, and alkalis make alkaline solutions. If a solution is neither acidic or alkaline, we call it neutral. Pure water is neutral. Natural indicators around us. Turmeric, another natural indicator. Turmeric is another natural indicator. Turmeric only changes color in the presence of a base and not in the presence of an acid. There is no change in acidic medium. In basic medium, color changes to deep red. Activity. Take a tablespoon full of turmeric powder. Add a little water and make a taste. Make turmeric paper by depositing turmeric paste on blotting paper or filter paper and dry it. Put a drop of soap solution on the strip of turmeric paper. The color of a strip changes to deep red. This shows that soap solution is basic in nature. Neutralization. The reaction between an acid and base to form salt and water is called neutralization. The reaction between an acid and base to form salt and water is called neutralization. acid and base give salt and water. For example, hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide give sodium chloride and water. Heat is also evolved during the process. Salt formed may be acidic, basic, or neutral in nature. Activity: fill 1/4 of a test tube with dilute hydrochloric acid. Note down its color. Now add 2-3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator to it. Add to this acidic solution a drop of sodium hydroxide solution by a dropper. Continue adding sodium hydroxide solution. A stage comes when adding a drop of sodium hydroxide, pink color appears. Phenolphthalein indicator remains colorless in acidic medium and gives pink color with basic solution. When an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, both neutralize the effect of each other. When the amount of base exceeds acid, pink color appears. Neutralization in everyday life. Soil treatment. Fertilizers are used to increase the production, but too much of chemical fertilizers make the soil acidic. If the soil is too acidic or too basic, plants do not grow. When the soil is acidic, soil is treated with bases like quicklime, calcium oxide, or slaked lime, calcium hydroxide. If the soil is basic, organic matter is added to it. Organic matter releases acids which neutralizes the basic nature of soil. Soil types depend on the proportion of size of particles. There are 3 types of soil: sandy, clayey, and loamy. Sandy soil. Particles of sandy soil are larger in size. Because of larger in size, sand particles cannot fit close together and hence there is enough space among them. These spaces are filled with air. Water drains quickly through sandy soil, so sandy soil is called well aerated, light and dry. Loamy soil. Particles of loamy soil are smaller than sand and larger than clay. Loamy soil is a mixture of sandy soil, clay soil and silt. Silt is a deposit in river beds. Clay soil. Particles of clay soil are very small in size. This makes the particles of clay soil packed tightly. There is very little space among the particles. Water does not drain quickly through clay soil because of less space among particles. So, clay soil is not well aerated and retains more water. Soil and crops. Different types of soils are found in different parts of India. Soil is affected by wind, rainfall, temperature, light and humidity. These climatic factors affect the soil profile, structure and determine the types of vegetation and crops grow in any region.